So, hi friend, I am your SK and today I am going to talk about NFL examination. Basically, NFL exam date is 16 December 2021 and some unavoidable and unprecedented things will happen during the exam. Okay, so some candidate have a really frustrated and really say what will be other option and how is this going to is this any type of exam going in the future by NFL. Okay, basically I'm also tell you in the my time when I appeared the NFL examination, all security checkup is must necessary. Okay, then check everything, just put your bag and check your everything like that, as just like normal procedure of any exam which is conducted by any other PSU, even I will say. Okay, so some video have been circulated by the candidate, and some candidate have really openly taking video shots and and photo. Okay, in the examination hall, and for the at the because of my mobile have a group, and video coming from the Kolkata, they saying in the video saying this is the Kolkata exam center, and this exactly time. Basically I don't know really exact time of NFL exam date, but suppose that if 10 to 12 p.m. have an exam time. Okay, suppose that basically 1 to 2 times, basically morning time and evening time. So 10 to 12 p.m. have an exam, and some candidate appearing 1 p.m. at the time, and someone candidate also going to search and clear your confusion and tick out answer. Okay, so this is a very ridiculous. I really don't think is this type of NFL conducted exam. मतलब I don't know, and see your experience which generally where you have exam center have a experience which type of test conducted by NFL, because have from the Kolkata center very unfair wise, and no one checking your mobile, just go and take and sit your exam and take part in the examination procedure. Okay, so basically I want to say, have any option and any hope to publish by the result. Okay, so basically in the my view I say no, because this is a very unfair type of exam. Okay, and some video will also make and circulated by the, and I also urge everyone to send mail to the NFL and some video to the NFL and say this is how will exam will be conducted, and this is the very unfair for everyone. You must take as the right procedure of NFL exam for the production and any other various type of various post which is published by the NFL exam. uh, Okay, basically NFL is the mini Ratna company, have a good status and leading in the manufacturing of India. So NFL have a totally responsible to take must fair wise examination of all center, and I also say some center from the Patna candidate say I am going at the exam center at the second time, and someone candidate you can take easily for, and your mobile in the examination. They don't believe because they know at the normal procedure of every exam. Okay, so you can and they appear that time, and they didn't check your biometric. They didn't check your mobile. They didn't check your normal procedure of any conducting during the examination checkup. Okay, so basically just say and go random and sit down your and take your seat and proceed your exam. And some also have a problem issue like 10 to 12 p.m. have a examination time, and your computer will start like after after half an hour, after 15 minutes, just like. So basically this is very unfair, and just raise your hand and send to mail to the HR NFL, and I am also trying to raise this type of issue. Basically this is the career question for everyone, which generally have a some candidate have a preparing for 2 years 3 years after diploma passing. And I some also candidate from the BSc, which is some hope this will be a good exam and have a given perfect time joining, because you also know about RRB, that means railway examination, which is conducted 2 years 3 years, but in NFL and any other PSU which is Normal procedure from the filling form to joining maximum 4 to 3 to 4 months. Okay, because of whereas my understanding, some of course due to the pandemic some exam will be and timing will be different, but in the IOCL, NFL and other things, if you not any problems in then normal procedure will be joined to 3 to 4 months, and you can easily complete your examination and joining Procaria. Okay, basically, so I also request everyone and share your experience, which type of examination conducted by your center. Okay, and because NFL conducted different parts of country like Patna, Kolkata, even Delhi, Hyderabad, Jaipur, sometime Mumbai. So you can share which type of question, and also where I some candidate have say question level is not as basically from the physics section is the very easy and very, that means a normal question of lucent, nothing else. And for the point of chemistry, whereas my friends say, uh, of course chemistry looks like in depth chemistry. Okay, so just like I'm saying, they say engineering entrance examination looks like chemistry. Okay, if you appear in any exam, any type of examination of engineering entrance, and that time which type of chemistry given by the examination, this type of question will held in NFL examination of 16 December 2021. And whereas say math have a general not a high, not a hard, that's you can, if you appear any examination like NFL, previous NFL and IOCL and any other type of examination which is normal things, not a hard. But chemistry is definitely hard because they ask from the in depth of the chemistry, and but you should try. And they have also say have some problem which you, if you select one language from the initially, you can't change after selecting your language preference. So sometimes candidate facing the problem. But when I video seen from the Kolkata have sharing by in the group, they say just take your mobile and just search on Google and take your answer. How this is the how ridiculous will happen. So I hope this will be and share your experience how your examination center will be conducted of NFL examination. Okay, so if you I hope in the last every candidate career will be good and try another. I also have a RCFL examination in the 19th December, have the same pattern. You must prepare. You have also appeared in already appear in the NFL examination, have the same pattern. Okay, they and RCFL also asking question from the chemistry in depth, just like okay, and physics is also same like, and chemistry English is also looks like that. Okay, so you have a option. Whereas I understand if you think like each NFL will be happening exam this type, not same thing will be happening with RCFL, because they also take some causes and precaution, because this type of examination is also conducted, and RCFL also have a different examination center. So okay, let's look what will happen with the RCFL examination of how question difficulty. Okay, so I will meet in the next video. So thank you.